All right, what we're working on today is section 10.5, vocabulary, angles, and circles. The first type of angle we have is a tangent angle. And a tangent angle is when you have a tangent, and remember a tangent touches a circle once. So it's an angle made by a tangent in a chord of the circle. So this yellow area right here is a tangent angle. And if I did this other area on the left, that's also a tangent angle. It's an angle that's formed by a tangent and a chord. The next one we have, they're all backwards, is interior angles. Interior angles are when you have two chords or two lines that intersect inside. And what you create is vertical angles. So this top is equal to this bottom, and then this right is equal to this left, just like anywhere else. Those are interior angles. And then the next one we have is exterior angle. An exterior angle is when two lines intersect outside. And so this is exterior angle right out here. In your notes, you're going to learn about the rules of them for vocabulary. We just wanted to make sure you knew where they were located.